Hello YouTube, it's Legacy and welcome back to my channel Legacy Trades. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how I trade support and resistance, and I'm also going to show you all the solves that will increase your win rates trading support and resistance. So you definitely want to stick to the end of this video because I'm definitely lacing you all up. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment any kind of topic that you want me to talk about on this channel. Share this content and check the link in the description to join my free Telegram group. And without any further ado, let's get straight into the charts. So we're on the charts right now, and as you guys can see, we're going to start with the 4-hour time frame. The reason I'm starting with this is so that you guys can be able to see this. Do you guys see this gap right here? I want you guys to see this gap right here. So this gap is a gap that needs to be filled. Gap likes to be filled, and as we can see too, this was a structure level and it broke below that structure. So we're looking for retracement into structure and into the gap for a continuation. So let's go to the lower time frame and let me explain further. So right on here now, we're going to go straight down to the 15. Yeah, perfect. Do you guys see what I'm saying right now? So I'm going to give you the source of this video, and the source is this. You guys can see date that's right there. Look below, you can see this is on a Sunday, and look at here, you can see this on a Friday. So this is that gap that usually happens during the open. You know that gap that usually happens when it drops down or it pushes high. This is the gap that usually happens. So what price likes to do is to come back and fill the gap, then have its continuation. And as you already know, along this video you're going to see my entry upon this gap. So the basic thing I want you guys to understand in this video, I want you guys to take home is this: there are easy ways to flow with this gap in addition to supply and demand, or in fact let's use support and resistance in addition to support and resistance. As you can see here, is at clear level of resistance. Let me mark that up for you all to see. This level here, this level here, and this level here. These three is 1, 2, 3. So you guys can see those are levels of resistance. And if you go back, you can look at here too, look here too, even this one too, but it peaked out a little bit, you know. Look in between the zone, combined with this gap, you know you definitely have an entry right there. You know you have an entry right there. So let me give you guys an example of this, right? Think about it like this. You understand the trend. Right? And then structure started playing out here. Then you see a gap. To the downside like this. This gap that's in here likes to be filled. So what to simply just do is place your entry, and this is what's just going to happen. So this whole scenario, the scenario that I use to catch that setup right here. Gaps combined with support and resistance. And as you already know, before I show you how this stuff played down here, I'm about to put the screen record of the video of my entry and my exit. So as you guys just saw on the slide, that was the screen record of my entry and my exit on this position. And now let me show you guys the outcome on the charts right now. M3 right up there. My stop loss was way above here. Originally, what I like to target is 1:1. Well, guys, let me tell you guys something, right? I'm still trying to build the hang of holding my positions for longer. Holding my positions for way longer. So I would have held the position for something like this. That's what I would have done, but I didn't. So just to give you guys a full context of my risk for entry, understand the trend, downtrend. For those of you who stuck up to the part of this video, let me run a perfect breakdown for y'all, as as an appreciation for sticking to this part. You have to understand the trend, then find the levels of gap or support and resistance. In this case, the gap was combined with support and resistance. Then you just basically get your entry. Sometimes you can wait for a confirmation, but I took this aggressively, then I just got in. So wait for the trend, and you guys can see the trend. We have been freaking bearish. Then you get the entry at support or resistance, and let's see how it is played. Let me speed this up. Yeah, I'm even wasting more time. Let me speed this up. I'm sorry. Yeah. Perfect. As you could see. Perfect. Entry at gap fill with resistance or whatever you guys want to call it, but I look at it as resistance. Then it drop down to low. Look, we could have held it all the way down here. If you look to your left, could have held all the way down there. And let's see, it eventually tanked all the way down there, but I exited way up at the 1:1. But it's all good though. On to the next. So we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you gain a lot of value from my teachings. Join my free Telegram group, link is in the description, to get my free trade signals and YouTube updates. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and put down something in the comment section that you guys want me to talk about. See you guys in the next video. Peace.